Hi, I'm Nathan from CPS Homes, and I thought you might be interested in a bit of a property market update on how things have been performing so far this year. Even with a rise in inflation and another recent increase to the Bank of England base rate from 4 to 4.25%, we've seen a really strong start to 2023. Interestingly, rather than a corresponding hike in mortgage rates, we've actually seen lenders such as HSBC and Nationwide reduce the rates on many of their products. This shows that lenders are taking a longer-sighted view of the market and that they have more confidence as we move into the year. These are all really positive signs for buyers, which they're gladly taking advantage of. There seem to be a lot of press reports at the moment that property prices are falling, so the question of how much my property is worth is on everybody's minds. You'll be pleased to know, though, here in Cardiff, that doesn't seem to be the case. Wales as a whole saw property prices increase by 1.3% in the last recorded quarter, October to December 2022. That was part of an overall annual increase of 9.9%. Looking at Cardiff, prices have risen at a slightly lower rate, but still performing really well, with a recorded increase of 0.7% between October and December 2022. This was part of an annual increase of 9.2%. So what will your budget get you here in Cardiff? If you're looking for a detached property, you're looking to spend in the region of £500,000, whilst a semi-detached is more like £350,000 and a terrace at £270,000. Over the past few months, we've noticed a clear trend from buyers opting more for turnkey style properties and new builds like this one, as opposed to properties that need renovation. This is largely down to the increased cost in building materials and labour. By not needing to set aside savings for renovations, this allows buyers to put down larger deposits, which brings down the cost of their monthly mortgages, making buying a home still an achievable goal. So how much have mortgage costs increased? If we take the Welsh national average house price of £250,000, buying with a 20% deposit this year will cost you about £300 a month more than for the same period last year. After that initial gasp, the rise in monthly rental payments is still making buying a much more attractive option, even for those with a smaller deposit. Demand from buyers, whilst not as manic as it had been over the last 2 years, remains incredibly high here in Cardiff. Buyers' attitudes seem to be acclimatising and catching up with the change in interest rates. The outlook for the local property market here in Cardiff seems a lot brighter than had been previously anticipated, so we're really excited to see how 2023 shapes up. To discuss your property, please get in touch.